Hello young learners, a very warm welcome to your Hindi class with your Hindi teacher Aprajita. And let's start the course book of class 5, Saral Hindi Pathmala, and let's start a new chapter here. The chapter is chapter number 12, which is Baatcheet. Baatcheet means conversation. When you are talking to somebody, either the conversation is between two people or more than two people. That is known as Baatcheet or conversation. So let's see in this chapter what the conversation is. गर्मियों की छुट्टियों के विषय में दो मित्रों की बातचीत. So this is a conversation between two friends about the summer vacations. Okay? Suresh. Two friends are Suresh and Ramesh. Suresh, what does Suresh say? Namaste priya mitra, tum kaise ho? Now he greets Ramesh and he says, hello dear friend, how are you? Ramesh, मैं ठीक हूँ, तुम बताओ कैसे हो? Now Ramesh says, I am fine. You say, how are you? What about you? Suresh, मित्र, मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. Now Suresh also replies that friend, I am also fine. Ramesh, now Ramesh is saying, क्या तुम जानते हो कि हमारी गर्मियों की छुट्टियां होने वाली हैं? Now Ramesh asks Suresh that, do you know that our summer vacations are going to start? Suresh, हाँ, सिर्फ 5 दिन बाकी हैं. मैं उनका बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Now Suresh says, yes, only 5 days left and I am eagerly waiting for those vacations. It happens when you all know that the summer vacations are coming, so you too also eagerly wait for those vacations because you make plannings, how will you play, how will you enjoy during your summer vacations. Many people, they go out for the vacations, they spend their vacations in some other place. So here these two friends are also very excited. Ramesh, क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ तुम अपनी छुट्टियाँ कहाँ बिताओगे? Now Ramesh is asking Suresh that can I know that where are you going to spend your vacations? Suresh, हाँ, मैं अपने माता पिता और चचेरे भाई बहन के साथ आगरा जाना चाहता हूँ. और तुम? Now Suresh says, yes, I want to go to Agra with my parents and my cousins. And what about you? Ramesh, मैं अपने माता पिता के साथ दक्षिण भारत के राज्यों में घूमने जाऊंगा. Now Ramesh says, I'll go to southern Indian states with my parents. सुरेश, वाह, मैंने सुना भी है कि दक्षिण भारत के पर्यटन स्थल, मंदिर और चर्च बहुत प्रसिद्ध हैं. Now Suresh says, wow, I have also heard that these southern states have beautiful tourist places, temples and church. These are very famous there. रमेश, हाँ, दक्षिण भारत पर्यटकों को बहुत अधिक पसंद भी आता है. Now Ramesh is saying to Suresh that yes, South India is very much liked by the tourists also. Suresh, तुम्हारी यात्रा मंगलमय हो, अपना ध्यान रखना. Now Suresh says to Ramesh that may your journey be nice, have a very nice journey and take care. Ramesh, तुम्हें भी. अलविदा, छुट्टियों के बाद फिर मिलते हैं. Now Ramesh also says Suresh goodbye. He says yours too and bye. We meet again after the holidays. Fine. So this is a conversation between two friends about their summer vacation plannings. Now let's do some exercise. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. Write answers to the following questions. छुट्टियां शुरू होने में कितने दिन शेष बचे हैं? How many days are left for the summer vacations to start? 5 दिन. 5 days left. So write down 5 दिन. Okay? सुरेश गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में कहाँ घूमने जा रहा था? सुरेश कहाँ जा रहा था गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में? आगरा घूमने जा रहा था. Suresh was going to visit Agra. with his parents, okay, and cousins. रमेश छुट्टियों में कहाँ जाएगा? रमेश कहाँ जाएगा? Where was Ramesh planning to go? Ramesh was planning to go to southern Indian states, okay, South India, okay. So write down दक्षिण भारत के प्रदेश. Now the last question is दक्षिण भारत के 2 प्रसिद्ध दर्शनीय स्थलों के नाम लिखिए. 2 famous places of South India are Tirupati, it's right here, Tirupati and Rameshwaram. Okay. So now children, let's make some sentences with the given words. Make sentences using the following words. दर्शन स्थल. भारत में बहुत सारे दर्शन स्थल हैं. In India there are many places to visit. दक्षिण भारत. दक्षिण भारत पर्यटकों को बहुत आकर्षित करता है. South India attracts the tourists very much. Tourists are very much attracted to South India. सुप्रसिद्ध. दक्षिण भारत में सुप्रसिद्ध चर्च और मंदिर हैं. There are famous, सुप्रसिद्ध means famous, temples and churches in South India. पर्यटक, tourist. पर्यटक दक्षिण भारत की यात्रा करना पसंद करते हैं. They love going to South India. यात्रा. दोनों दोस्त अपनी यात्रा पर निकल पड़े. Both the friends started their journey. So now let's underline these words. दर्शन स्थल, दक्षिण भारत, here, सुप्रसिद्ध, पर्यटक, यात्रा. Okay? निम्नलिखित वाक्यों का हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Translate the following sentences into Hindi. Our summer vacations are going to start. हमारी गर्मियों की छुट्टियां शुरू होने वाली हैं. I want to go to Agra to see Taj Mahal. मैं ताजमहल देखने आगरा जाना चाहता हूँ. South India is also very much liked by tourists. दक्षिण भारत पर्यटकों को बहुत आकर्षित करता है. Have a nice journey. आपकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो. Now let's move further children. Now children, भारत के किन्हीं 7 पर्यटन स्थलों के नाम लिखिए. So we have to write the names of India's any 7 tourist attraction. So there are many tourist attractions in India. So we'll write some names here. Taj Mahal, Kerala, Jammu Kashmir, Goa, Jaisalmer, Darjeeling and Manali. Okay? So these are some of them. So here we end with our chapter, and I hope you have learned some good tourist places of India, and there are many more. So whenever you have some vacations, so plan out to visit to these places. So children, keep learning and have a very great time. We'll meet soon with a new chapter with something more interesting. Till then, bye and have a very good